Imagine harvesting crisp, vibrant lettuce, bursting with freshness. Picture yourself reaching out and gently plucking leaves that are practically glowing with health. Or perhaps you prefer the intoxicating aroma of fragrant basil, its leaves glistening with essential oils, ready to add a burst of flavor to your favorite dishes. And what if you could have all of this, right from your kitchen countertop? Imagine stepping into your kitchen and being greeted by a miniature garden, thriving and providing you with fresh ingredients every day. All this is possible with hydroponics. No soil, no backyard, no digging in the dirt required. Just clean, healthy roots suspended in nutrient-rich water. It's all about the water, the lifeblood of your hydroponic garden, constantly circulating and delivering essential elements to your plants. And of course, the carefully balanced nutrients, the building blocks that fuel rapid growth and abundant harvests. All it takes is a bit of creativity to design and build a system that perfectly fits your space and your needs. Hydroponics lets you grow fresh, healthy produce, from leafy greens to flavorful herbs, all year round. You can grow anywhere, even in the smallest spaces, transforming a tiny balcony or a sunny windowsill into a thriving garden. And the best part? For less than a few grocery trips, you can invest in a system that will pay for itself in no time. With a few simple components, you can set up a system that will provide you with a constant supply of fresh, delicious produce. Imagine having an endless supply of greens for months, right at your fingertips, ready to be harvested and enjoyed. It's simple, sustainable, and incredibly rewarding to grow your own food in a way that's both efficient and environmentally friendly. It's the perfect solution for city living, bringing a touch of nature and fresh, healthy food into even the most urban environments. No gardening experience needed. Hydroponics is surprisingly easy to learn and master. All you need is enthusiasm and a sunny spot to get started on your hydroponic adventure. So let's dive in and build your own hydroponic farm together, step by step, and unlock the secrets to growing fresh, healthy food indoors. Are you ready to bring the garden indoors and experience the joy of growing your own food, no matter where you live? Let's gather our supplies, roll up our sleeves, and get started on this exciting journey into the world of hydroponics. Hydroponics is growing plants without soil. Roots are suspended in water mixed with nutrients. This method delivers everything plants need directly, making growth faster and more efficient. You control the nutrients, use less water, and avoid most pests and diseases. Hydroponics is sustainable and works year-round, indoors or out. Even a closet or spare room can become a productive garden. Fresh lettuce in winter? Herbs all year? Absolutely possible. Hydroponics transforms any space into a thriving, all-season farm. Getting started with hydroponics doesn't have to break the bank. Many people think you need all sorts of specialized and expensive equipment, but that's simply not the case. You don't need fancy gear or a big budget to cultivate your own thriving hydroponic garden. In fact, you can get everything you need to start growing delicious fresh produce right at home without spending a fortune. We're going to show you that it's entirely possible to assemble a fully functional hydroponic system on a shoestring budget. So if you're ready to dive into the world of soilless gardening without emptying your wallet, here's what you'll need for under $200. This list covers all the essentials to get you up and running. First up are PVC pipes, ideally 4 inches wide. These will form the backbone of your system, acting as plant channels where your plants will grow and thrive. The width allows for adequate root development and nutrient flow. Next, you'll need a 1020L opaque storage bin. This serves as your reservoir, holding the nutrient-rich water that will feed your plants. The opaqueness is crucial to prevent algae growth, which can steal nutrients and clog your system. To keep the water circulating and deliver those vital nutrients to your plants, you'll need a small submersible water pump. Look for one designed for aquariums. They're typically affordable and reliable. Net pots are essential for holding your plants and their growing medium within the PVC pipes. Speaking of growing medium, you'll need something to support your plant's roots. Great options include rock wool, coco coir, or even sponges. Each has its own benefits, so choose what best suits your plants and preferences. Of course, your plants need food. Hydroponic nutrient solution is specially formulated to provide all the essential elements for healthy growth. The good news is one bottle lasts ages, making it a cost-effective investment. If you lack sunlight, which is often the case indoors, you'll want to grab an LED grow light. Opt for a full-spectrum, energy-efficient model to provide your plants with the light they need to thrive. Flexible tubing is needed to connect the pump to the pipes, creating a closed-loop system for efficient water and nutrient delivery. To automate your system and ensure consistent light and water cycles, an outlet timer is a worthwhile investment. It automates lights and water flow, saving you time and effort. The best part is that all these parts are easy to find at your local hardware stores or online retailers. You don't need to go to specialty hydroponics shops to get started. With these essential components in hand, you're ready to embark on the exciting journey of building your own productive hydroponic system. Get ready to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce all year round without breaking the bank. All right, let's dive into the exciting part, assembling your very own hydroponic system. We're going to break it down into easy-to-follow steps, so don't worry if it seems a little daunting at first. With a bit of patience and these instructions, you'll have your system up and running in no time. First, you'll want to build a simple frame. This frame will act as the backbone of your hydroponic setup, providing the necessary support for the PVC pipes that will house your plants. The purpose of the frame is to hold the PVC pipes horizontally, arranging them one above the other. This tiered structure maximizes space and allows for efficient water distribution to each plant. Consider the height and width of your growing area when determining the dimensions of your frame. Next, carefully drill holes into the PVC pipes. These holes are specifically for your net pots, and they should be spaced approximately 6-8 inches apart to give each plant enough room to grow and flourish. Now let's set up the water circulation. Place the water pump at the bottom of the reservoir. This pump is the heart of your system, responsible for delivering nutrient-rich water to your plants. Then securely connect the tubing from the pump to the top PVC pipe. This ensures that the nutrient solution is delivered to the highest point in your system, allowing gravity to assist in its distribution. It's crucial to create a return path that allows the water to flow back into the reservoir. This closed-loop system conserves water and ensures consistent nutrient levels. Before planting, fill the net pots with your chosen growing medium. This could be rock wool, coco coir, or any other suitable hydroponic substrate. Now comes the fun part. Add your seeds or small seedlings to the net pots, gently nestling them into the growing medium. Carefully insert each net pot into the pre-drilled holes in the PVC pipes, making sure they are secure. It's time to prepare the lifeblood of your plants. Mix your hydroponic nutrient solution according to the manufacturer's instructions. Carefully pour the nutrient solution into the reservoir, ensuring that the water pump is fully submerged. Position your LED grow light approximately 6-12 inches above the plants. This distance may need to be adjusted as your plants grow. To automate your system, plug both the water pump and the LED grow light into a timer. Set the timer to provide your plants with 14-16 hours of light each day. This is crucial for optimal growth and photosynthesis. As for the water pump, you can either run it continuously for constant nutrient delivery or set it to run for 15 minutes every hour. Experiment to see what works best for your plants. And that's it! Congratulations! Your very own hydroponic farm is now ready to nurture your plants. Remember to consistently monitor your plants, adjust nutrient levels as needed, and watch with joy as your plants thrive in their new hydroponic home. Happy growing. Happy. Start with fast-growing, low-maintenance crops for the best results. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard thrive in hydroponics. Harvest outer leaves for a steady supply. Herbs such as basil, mint, parsley, and cilantro grow vigorously and are easy to manage. These plants are forgiving and perfect for learning the basics. Fruiting plants like tomatoes are possible, but more challenging for beginners. Focus on greens and herbs to master your system and enjoy quick, rewarding harvests. Once confident, you can try more ambitious crops. Your hydroponic journey is just beginning. Questions and challenges are part of the process. Online resources like agricforprofits.com offer guides, troubleshooting tips, and community forums. Join social media groups or forums to share progress, ask questions, and get advice from fellow growers. Don't hesitate to experiment and learn from mistakes. Connecting with others makes the experience richer and more rewarding. Your under $200 system is just the start of a lifelong gardening adventure. Happy